Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign in to CoinGecko application. If you're looking for a way to log into your existing account for CoinGecko, then here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open your CoinGecko application from your app drawer, and once you're inside the main home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Now at the very top, you should be able to see the sign up and login option. To log into your existing account, tap on Login. In the login page, you can choose the email option or continue logging in with your existing Google and Apple ID. To log in with your existing email, type in your email address associated with CoinGecko in the first text box. Once done, type in your password associated with your account. If you don't remember the password for your account, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. After filling in the correct credentials, tap on Login and you will be able to log into your CoinGecko account within a few minutes. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.